am calling to you third team members. Do you know about both of them is nice? So I am calling to Solanki and Deepak. Come here, please. Everyone clap to both. Yes. Today is your topic called debate. Competition is necessary part of education. Solanki, you have to speak about in favors and then you have to speak against. So now your time start.
Yeah, sweaty teachers and hello my dear friends. I am a very warm good afternoon all of you. I am Sakshi and today I am going to discuss about competition is a necessary part of education. Yeah, as we know that today's world competition is much in every field, whether it is in school, colleges, business, sports and many more. Yeah, it is come as a biggest part for a student's life and many and people's life. Competition has but here we will know about competition in education. Competition became has a part has a became competition has became a big major part of students life. It is a it is a it is it is very good for students because when students thought about when students make our aim to do this do this, so they are able to do it. Yeah, it has also two phases like a negative competition and a positive competition. In a negative competition is when you only count on competition for motivation. It is not good for us because it is not good for us and also not good for students, and it begins so many times by negative competitions. In a positive competition, we are also call it a healthy competition. Healthy competition teaches us that there are many other people they also want to do that thing, that same thing as us want. It is good for us. We always do healthy competitions. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to describe about competition is not necessary in education. Competition means compare, and compare does not lead to success. When there is a competition between peoples, there is disunity, and disunity is not good for our environment and for our society. When there is a competition between two peoples, then it discourage collaboration, which is not good for us, and competition creates divide and rule, which spread all our countries and all our education system. In competition, learning, it is not necessary in learning. For learning, the necessary things are concentration power, willpower, and for curiosity. The next thing, when there is a competition between two countries, there will be always chance of fights, discouragement, distraction, and destroyness, and etc. When there is a competition between two peoples, there is always enmity, and always chances of enmities happen. Competition makes to a topic, to a start to a race and to a finish line. When there is a competition occurs, a student don't want to get knowledge. He or she only want to finish the race, or only want to win the game, or win their goal. They don't want to get knowledge. The competition and success are apart from each other. When there is a competition between learning is about two types. When learning is about according to competition, there is a temporary, and when learning is about without competition, there is permanent. And temporary and permanent are opposite to each other. Thank you very much.
Yes, I want to ask to you about you firstly. Competition is very important for anyone. Why?
Because it's like a challenge for other people. Because when we take a competition, so we we learn more, and we get more knowledge and more skills, good skills power. So that's why we are take
Competition is necessary for you. Why not?
Sir, it is not necessary for me. Sir, when competition occurs between according to in our life or towards our education, it only makes comparison. Sir, we know that all are not alike. Parents have their hopes that their child get scored high marks. All one are all not alike. Sir, due to this, many students can die suicide because they don't get good marks due to competition from their friends, from their cousins. So I think so competition is not necessary for me.
Okay, anybody can ask to both of them? Yeah.
I want to ask you that you say person who learn for a competition it is temporary. Why it is temporary?
In learning, when there is a learning about in competition, suppose you are sitting in a group of 4 people and there is a task to learn the 5 lines. When the student who firstly learn the 5 lines, they have won the prize. If the teacher get reward some, and other ones have their mentality that we will not win, and they will show very bad. They feel very bad. Due to this competition, it's not. I think so.
The person have a sharp mind and he learn at that time and he learn for a long period. Then what is it?
I say you, they all are not alike. You are suppose you have a sharp mind, but all the persons that don't have sharp mind, other like you, all are not alike. So competition makes differentiation, and other peoples have hate from you due to this because you are going to up, and they are not going to up. They are at stable at there, and your growth and graph going to up. So
So
that's
it
why.
is good for us now.
It is good for you, but your friendship doesn't rely.
But as you said that when you competes in others, so you are not you get not more knowledge. So how can you say it? When we compete other person, so we get more knowledge and also skill, also more get skills for us.
I can tell you by example. Suppose you want to go into somewhere, and your friend also want to go to somewhere, and I describe you a way to go at that place, at destination. It is only happen that one way is going there and only one path is going there. Other paths is also going there. You don't ask from anyone where is the other path. You go on to only my path. You don't have knowledge where is the other route for going anywhere. For like this.
Okay, anybody can ask to? Oh yeah.
Don't you think that competition gives us our position in our society?
I can say that, but competition is given in society. But I can explain. I can repeat that. When you growing up, people can hate from you because you are growing up, and they will feel jealousy. They will feel more jealous, and sometimes they do. Then you hear that when a success man grows more and more, they have more growth. Many enemies can begin, can start.
Okay. Yeah.
If a person is failing competition, so what will he do on that time? If a person is failed in competition against her friend, his friend, so what will he do?
As you said that when a person is fail with his friend, yeah, that time his friend again try to it do it stage with friends.
It is if he on after that he failed that person is failed he against both of us on that time.
Yeah, other person the failure have a more practice to do get to compete with his friend.
Okay. Anybody can ask to? Yeah.
You told that competition is most important for everyone. That's why.
I'm said that because when a child is born when a child is, as we know that the child is born without a knowledge. They born without language, without the skills. Then they teach it with his parents and. Then it is then it's started its competition because when competitions because they our life is fully of the competitions.
Okay, anybody?
I want to ask a question that if there is a marks criteria for, in the colleges, like do you have wants a 95% marks or more than that for the admission in the college? Do you think it is okay because there is no entrance?
No, it is not okay for those students. Some students can do hard work, can do preparation very well, but at last time some understanding can happen. Like some student can become ill, and there is also chances of happening of deaths can happen with some students.
But you are saying that
sports, due to this, especially due to this, they don't concentrate on their studies and they don't get good marks. Due to this, they don't get knowledge.
but you are saying that the entrance exams are not important.
Entrance exam according to admission process, I can say that. Some
But in which way education that in which way that in the education entrance exam helps?
in which education, like you may about PCS, UPSC, these exams are only for entrance. These exams can't give their jobs on the marks. Marks can't decide your future. These posts can given by you on their mentality, either by physical, either by mental.
According to you, what is right? Entrance exam exists or not?
In admissions, and entrance exam exists for some students, like above 60% or 60 to 70% entrance exam can happen. Because many students can score 60 to 70% and they don't get admission in anywhere, not in UP, not in Delhi, so they only want to do correspondence.
Okay. I also want to ask from you that many times it is seen that in the entrance exams they are little bit cheating and so on things which is give the chance to that person which are not able for the which don't deserve that education. So what do you think on that time entrance exam is important?
Entrance exams are important because I know that many places students take the cheatings, but it is not good. I'm also disagree with the when a student take cheatings. On that time, teachers took more strictness on the classrooms and their place.
Okay. Now, thank you so much. It was very nice. Okay.